This 2017 Ford Everest Titanium is exclusive to Midway Ford, Perth's family-run and independent Ford dealership. This Everest Titanium is a 3.2 litre turbo diesel, 7 seats, leather interior, comes with Apple CarPlay and sat-nav, and is a 4x4 and great for off-road. This car has other great technology features including panoramic power sunroof, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping systems, and hill descent control. This particular Everest is an ex-director's demo and comes with extended warranties and excellent finance packages available at Midway Ford, Perth's independent and family-run Ford dealership.